Okay, guys, Jones Gonçalves here to talk about the Eternal Survivor optimization. We, in this last version of the Eternal Survivor, the 0.4.26, we have a great hound of optimization. We have we get better results in the FPS on the game, removing lights and changing the image compressions from bilinear to point, because we are creating a pixel art game. We don't need the bilinear compression, and creating atlases, sprite atlases. On the background, you can see you are seeing the game in older version. When I've get into the all waves, and you can see the FPS going. Um, it was going down each wave. We will have the same thing in the new version, but not drastically like in the older version, because here we are in this 60 wave and have only 56, 56 to 60 FPS, right? You can see in the arrows. And yeah, uh, we have changed a lot of things in these scripts. I made a cleanup in all of the scripts. We created the atlases, sprite atlases, to reduce the draw calls. Changed the texture compression to points. Removed the lights, and instead of put a light in each skill, we have put a texture with um, a texture with yeah, simulating a light. You will can see it on the new version. We are on the older version, and in the wave 10 we have only 10 to 6 to 16 FPS, right? And yeah, we have now more than the we have now more than 55 in this new version. Yeah, it's a lot of things that we did. um, and I will talk some more about what I did in the scripts, because some of the problem are in the CPU and the GPU usage. Right, here you can see the end of the game, and we are starting the new version, right? You can see the light simulation with this um, with the in the fiery. You can see it's a texture, it's not a light, and I think it's reduced the GPU processing, and yeah, the Atlas helped too. In the script side, I've removed all of the links. We are using some link to work with lists and arrays, and I removed all of those things, and put force and some things that we can work, because link is lowest and a very slow in comparison with 4, and you generate some garbage that need to be collected, and yeah, have a lot of problems with it. and I cached some more information in the project. Here you can see in the 50 wave we have almost 140, 136 FPS, and yeah, in the past it was not that amount. Here in the 60 wave we have more than 110 FPS, and in the older version we have at this moment I think we are with 70, 70 something, and yeah, it's we have a lot of good results with something that we did. One thing more that I did is uh, items now are enabling and disabling it as a game objects pool to manage the items and manage the damage pop up. Um, yeah, with it we reduce the garbage and reduce the instantiates and destroying things. Uh, I want to make something like it to the enemies, but when I tried in on this week, I don't have the same experience that we have in the game. Because of that, I don't worked with it. Yeah, you can see on the Wave 10 we have more than 50 FPS. Um, yeah, right. And yeah, I want to make the same thing of game objects pulling to the skills and to the enemies. Yeah, it's it's the things that we have in the optimization of the Eternal Survivor, and I want you will can see the link to the game in this team, and yeah, I see you in the next week with some more new things on the Eternal Survivor.